the cutting edge of online medical digital health plan?
Yeah, so just yesterday, the Israeli government approved the National Digital Health Plan, and the purpose is actually to give the Israeli economy a boost, because today what makes the Israeli economy go is cybersecurity and the autonomous vehicles. We have a lot of companies who are dealing with that. So Benjamin Netanyahu thinks that this is something that can bring in a lot of money to the economy, because the health sector is worth about $6 trillion, and he thinks that we can grab about 10% of that, so that's $600 billion.
So what does it mean? Is it just kind of a way to access your medical records wherever you are?
It means that there's a database that includes 98%, the information of 98% of us. By the way, you have to consent, okay, if you give your agreement. And then researchers and enterprises can use the data, because look, for example, if you look at autonomous vehicles, how do they work? They work because there's a lot of information about the surroundings. The same thing with this. If you remember, we mentioned the decision support systems for doctors with diabetes. They're able to make decisions based on data that is gathered from previous cases. So the same thing here. We'll be able to give access to entrepreneurs and businesses access to a lot of data.
Okay, and lastly, South Korea is working to